everyone, so today we're going to understand why literally 90%, 99% of the people could not do this, and this was a very tricky one. See, when you have this 2, 5, 17, 31, this is a very steadily increasing series. Okay, so here obviously we will now focus on the division part. So here we will say the difference is 3, here the difference is 12, here again the difference is way too much, so here the difference is 14. So obviously this is not making any sense. Okay, so in this case what we should do is we will try to look at the series again, and if you see, what we realize is all of these series are what consisting of prime numbers. Okay, if you see, when you skip, we have 2 and 5, so you have skipped over here is 3. What else have you skipped? Here you have skipped 7 and 11. Here we have skipped 19, then 23 and 29. So now you see that there is a pattern. Here we skipped 1 prime number, here we skipped 2, here we skipped 3. So now the next prime number what we should have is, we need to skip how many prime numbers now? Yes, we need to skip 4 prime numbers. So after 31, the first prime number which we come across is 37. Okay, then next prime number which we come across is 41, 43, then 47. So these are 4 prime numbers. So the next number which will happen over here is supposed to be 53. So I hope you've understood why literally 99% of the people could not do this. Okay, so when you have something like this and nothing is working, just go back to the series again and see if there is a simple logic. Okay, like here all the hint was given in the series itself, because the series was consisting of prime numbers. So I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.